Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore time blocking using Google Calendar Quick Scheduling, Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Calendar on your preferred device. In the top left corner, click on the Create button. You can also press the C key on your keyboard for quicker access. A new event window will open on the right side of your screen. Enter a title for your time block. Select the date and time for this event. For recurring tasks, click on the Does Not Repeat drop-down menu. Choose a frequency that suits your needs, such as daily or weekly. Set the duration of your time block. Consider using the end time to define when this block will end. Next, you'll want to add notifications. Click on Add Notification to receive reminders before the event starts. It's helpful to choose multiple notifications for important tasks. Select a color for your time block. This will help differentiate your tasks visually in your calendar. Add any relevant details in the description box. This could include notes on what you want to accomplish during this time. If applicable, add guests to your event. This can be useful if you are collaborating with others. After you have filled out all necessary fields, click Save. Your new time block will now appear on your calendar. Repeat these steps for other tasks you need to schedule. To view your blocks clearly, consider changing your calendar view. You can select daily, weekly, or monthly views depending on your preference. Remember to periodically review and adjust your time blocks as needed. This ensures your scheduling remains effective and relevant. Now, you are ready to efficiently manage your time with Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.